Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DevOps World. Today I am going to show you how to create AWS free tier account. So let's get started. So first of all you have to come in this link aws.amazon.com/free. So after typing this link, you will land on this page. So in this page, we have an option to create a free tier account. And if you scroll a little bit down, so you will get to know what are the services has been provided by AWS which are comes into free tier bucket. So if you see, we have a EC2 instant S3 RDS. But remember friends, some of the services will not come for 12 months free bucket. Some of the services might be in free tier, depends upon what reason you are working. So once you are launching any services or you are creating any software or services, so be ensured that for which reason you are deploying those applications. So that's very important. So let's click on this link. So here first of all you have to provide your mail ID and it should be unique. It not be used by another AWS account. So you have to provide. So right now I'm just giving a sample and I just giving the password and very important guys, the account name. Okay, the password is not matching. And this account name should be unique. So before if you give any name and somebody else having already this name, so might be you are not able to create this account with the same name. So be sure that whatever the account name you are going to provide here, it should be unique. For demo purpose I just give demo my account. So once you do continue, so you have to do security check. So you have to provide this security. Okay, I'm typely wrong. See why. Now here you have two options for which you are creating the AWS account. First is business and second is personal. So once you select the business, so you have to provide your organization name. So in business account might be multiple user comes under this account. So like you can say that for organization you have a one developer teams where 15 to 20 employees are working. So for 20 to 15 different account creating instant, you create the business account so that you can brings your AD or AD subscription active directory of federal user kind of facility. But we are going to use as a personal because we are not belongs to any organization. So you have to provide any name. So I give demo my name and you provide a number and you have to select the reason. This in this all inputs, if you are able to see, you do not have any strict mark. But if I go to continue, so AWS give me an error because these all fields are mandatory. So you have to provide the address. So once you fill this option, now once you click the next, so you have to provide credit card and debit card details. So be sure that guys, AWS not taking any rupee payment card. Still this facility is not available in AWS. So you have to provide either Visa card or MasterCard, or you have American Express if you're able to see here. And also left hand side one message are there and it's saying that we will not charge for uses below free tier limits. So it means that if the services comes under the free tier, it will not going to charge anything. But every services have their own threshold value. So if I go here again, so it will be the better understand. If you come to this page, so if I take the example of Amazon EC2, so in this case it is showing this 750 hours per month. It means that you can run either Linux instant or Windows. It not should be more than 750 hour in month. Suppose you cross this limit 750 hour and you reach to 751 hour, so you have to pay the money for 1 hour. So in upcoming videos, friends, I tell you how AWS charges their money based on their services. How, suppose here we are taking hour, but if you take the example of S3, it is charged per GB wise. So similarly, every service is their own limitation and the threshold. It's not necessary it will come to the compute time, but might be some GBs or other things as well. So if you come to here, so you provide a credit card and this detail. So I'm not going to provide this detail because I have already created the account. So once you provide your credit card expiry date, card holder and CVV name, and because you are not belongs to any organization and you are not going to pay so much money, so you by default you can select no. It's not necessary you have to provide the PAN card number. So once you click on verify continue, so AWS will contact your card provider, either Visa or MasterCard, to take this 2 rupees deduction. So why AWS taking this 2 rupees deduction? Why? Because it is validating your card entry which you have provided here. So once the card is validated, then AWS will deduct this 2 rupees from the account. But don't worry guys, after 3 to 4 working days, this 2 rupees will again credited to your account. So AWS just validating your account and the card, whatever the information you have given, it's valid or not. For that purpose is deducting the 2 rupees. And also the card which you are providing here, it will become as a default payment method for your AWS account. So whenever in future if you are going to pay any of the certain price money for your services, that time you don't need to add any further card. So this card will help you to do the payment and clears your bills. So once you do that, after that it will ask your phone number and OTP, and based on that you will complete the registration. So once you complete the registration, so you will get one this kind of mail which are saying that your account has, like you have account is created and now you are accessible, you are ready to access compute, storage, database and other services as well. And here they have given the link, free link which I have already shown here. So you will land on this page where you can check that what are the services are comes into the free tier, because there are lots of services we are not coming to free tier. So you just select this checkbox. So what happened, it will give you all those services which belongs to 12 months free tier bucket. So you don't need to again filter out what services are come to the free tier or what services are coming to trial version. So if you are able to see tag here, it's coming like 12 months free tier kind of thing. So once your account is created, so you will get this kind of message and saying that the account has created. So once your account is created, so whatever the mail ID and password you have provided at the time of the registration, you have to use that, and after that you have to log in as a root user. So once you're logged in as a root user, you will get this kind of dashboard on your screen. And if I click here, so this is the account ID will able to see. So this account ID basically from the root user. So based on that, you are right now administrator because you are logged in as a root user. So by default, every services in your account it's allowed to access. But guys, earlier I told it depends what are the reason you have selected. Some of the services not belongs to Mumbai AP South 1. So suppose you are using some of the services which not belongs to AP South 1, then you have to switch to other reason might be Ohio. You can select it where the maximum number of the services are available, and if you select North Virginia, so what happened, the all the services in this account will available for your development and for your POC projects. So I hope guys this is informative for you, and upcoming videos I'll let you know how to create the IAM account so that your root account will not compromised and nobody will get the access and do unnecessary services triggered, so that you are not getting unnecessary bill. And also I'm going to show you how you can set up a bill budget account so that when you reach a one threshold, so you will get the alert, and that time you can terminate or disable your services. For today guys, thank you for coming. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the new video whenever I will